Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if it. Using a MacBook while relying on cheap hubs is a recipe for frustration. And the moment I switched to the Belkin Connect USB-C 7-in-1, a hub officially sold in the Apple Store, I finally understood why spending around $40 is an investment that actually pays off. After going through countless low-cost USB-C hubs, all with their own list of problems like instability, overheating, random disconnections, and questionable safety standards that never meet the requirements of Apple, this Belkin hub felt like an entirely different class. Built with a dense metal unibody shell matched perfectly to the MacBook's space gray tone and paired with a sturdy USB-C cable that follows Apple's power and data standards. The hub plugs into a MacBook or iPad and is instantly recognized without power drops, heat spikes, or intermittent failures. That reliability is exactly what earns it a spot on Apple's shelves. From the moment you unbox the device, the attention to detail is apparent. The packaging is made from environmentally friendly paper, printed sharply with high-quality product images and clear descriptions of features, helping users immediately understand what they're getting. Inside, everything is arranged neatly, including the user manual, warranty card, and maintenance notes, small touches that make long-term use easier. The star of the box, of course, is the hub itself. Compact yet premium, it features a tough metal exterior that conveys durability and elegance. Holding it in hand gives the same sensation you expect from Apple. Approved accessories: minimalist, solid, and precise. The main ports are laid out along the side, including HDMI 2.0, two USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports capable of up to 5 gigabits per second, a USB circa PD 3.0 charging port rated up to 100W, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The spacing is smartly planned, so multiple devices can be plugged simultaneously without bumping into each other. On the bottom edge, Belkin adds an SD and microSD reader, isolated from the main I/O cluster, to keep cable clutter to a minimum and make swapping storage cards easier. Real-world use only reinforces the build quality. Its compact size makes it extremely portable, sliding into a laptop sleeve or backpack effortlessly. The 21cm USB-C cable strikes the right balance, long enough to position the hub comfortably on a desk yet short enough to maintain a clean, minimalist workspace. During daily work, the Belkin hub performs impressively. USB devices are recognized instantly. HDMI output delivers crisp high-resolution visuals, and memory cards mount quickly. When I benchmarked a 64GB Kioxia Xperia microSD card using Crystal Disk Mark, the results hit around 95 MBs read and 34 MBs write, maximizing the card's own performance ceiling. Even with a USB 2.0 device limiting the transfer rate to about 50 MBs, the hub maintained a stable throughput, leaving me confident that a true USB 3.0 device would easily reach full speed. For those wanting something smaller, Belkin also offers the Belkin Connect USB-C 5-in-1, a lighter and more travel-friendly version with the same design language, but without the PD charging port and 3.5mm audio jack. This makes the 5-in-1 model more suitable for Windows laptops or simple setups, where power pass-through isn't essential. Yet both models maintain the signature Belkin craftsmanship: minimal, metallic, durable, and consistent with the brand's ecosystem. After testing numerous hubs, it becomes clear why cheap ones never make it into Apple's retail ecosystem. They lack the stability, safety, and build quality required. The Belkin Connect USB-C 7-in-1, however, meets every standard that matters. For users seeking long-term reliability, safety for their devices, and seamless compatibility with Apple products, it stands out as one of the very few hubs truly worth the investment.